at this sunrise. It's the beautifulest one I've ever seen in Texas and in the whole world. It's just so beautiful. Let me zoom in a few more. It just looks like a fire tornado.
Beautiful Texas morning at Mellon Creek Ranch. Out here shooting some birds. We got Ace with the muddy ride in.
Really muddy.
Old Rip, the hound dog. On Rip Buddy. He's done picked him up quite a few birds here this morning.
We're coming in from a dog hunt right now. We're about halfway done and we've been killing a lot of ducks. We have like, at least counting that, we have like 6 or 7 right now.
Get him, Ace.
Look. Here, look. Oh, that one's... Boys and girls, we're just waiting for some more ducks, and other people are shooting, and I'll pick up the camera when we find some more ducks. Look! Get that duck. I dropped him, right? Oh, right. Good job, bud. Good job. It's all over. Good job, buddy. I couldn't, because it's way too heavy.
Okay. That's all right. Oh, there she is. Oh, that's another buck.
Oh, there's 2 bucks. Went through the fence and turned into 2 bucks. Bunch of sand, hill green.
Boys and girls, Brenda here in the Trophy Lodge. Mr. Dan's trophies are all in here. We have a black bear right there. Elephant feet right there under the table. Some elephant feet. This is a whole entire trophy lodge. It's pretty gigantic and cool. And well, at Texas we're leaving today and no more kills, so